Welcome back, traders. This is Alex, and today we are going to review yet another successful 100K evaluation. Stick around. So this account belongs to Raza. He is from the United States of America. If you recall from this series, we already reviewed a 50K challenge from this trader, and now he decided to take a step forward and update his trading balance to 100K, which he did. As you can see, 10% profit right here, profit factor awesome, 7.8. So we only have a loss amassing of only 1.5%. This is impressive, I have to say. Win ratio quite nice given the sample size of the trade. So he took in total 53 trades, if I'm not mistaken. Now let's check his performance chart. He basically got quite aggressive with this account. 27th of June, 28th, and a small trade on the 29th. So basically more or less 3 days to pass the first phase of the evaluation, so to get the 10% profit. Awesome work. Now let's see what pairs is he trading. Did he change anything from the previous account? Not really. So gold and the Nasdaq seems to be what I don't really like to see here, but I will have to confirm by checking the most profitable position. And yes, stop loss and take profit inconsistent. We will mark that up in the trader's profile, but this isn't necessarily a mark of a bad trader. I urge you guys to use stop loss and take profits because they can protect your account and your balance as well. But if you have the time to check the positions and you have the mental clarity to judge each candle as it forms, then you are free to go without, provided the market doesn't go berserk and basically cleans you up in one unforeseen candle, but those things rarely happen. Now, back to his most winning position, it's this one on Nasdaq, $984 or close to 1%. I love the fact that he isn't really a fan of a big hitter style of trading, if you may allow me to call it like that. I mean, you can see that the positions are quite small. All of them are below 1%. Now let's check this win on Nasdaq. It took him 33 minutes for this. Let's see if we can get a glimpse into this trader's strategy. And yes, guys, be sure to check out EverTrader. Up to $200,000 in accounts, in funded accounts up for grabs. You have the link in the bio, so feel free to check it out, and maybe we will review your account next time. Now, okay, so as you can see here, this green dotted line, I'm pretty sure you can see it, means the exact moment where our trader bought 3 lots on Nasdaq. And yeah, he bought, this is the lower time frame, but he bought at the bottom of this bearish candle and this bearish momentum. So this points out to one thing and one thing only, and that is smart money concepts entry. He saw to the left. Do we have some history to the left? Not really. So he saw that to the left there is a point of interest, there's a liquidity zone, an order block. But what I love about him is the fact that he isn't your conventional SMC trader, because he didn't really want to see any kind of confirmation. He just hopped on the buying train with this bearish candle, and then yes, market obliged him, and basically this was a smooth sailing trade. Not sure why he manually closed it here. He had a take profit. Where was this take profit? Oh god. Why didn't you let your take profit go, man? This would have been an awesome trade. Perfect nail, perfect placement of the take profit here. He decided to manually close it. Not really sure why. Maybe he can tell us in one of our interviews, because basically he nailed the starting point of this mini bull trend. As you can see, we have the first change of character, the first major change of character right around this candle, and then this trend, this bull swing continued. You can see that we are making higher highs and lower low formations. He decided that this is enough for him. 1%, quite disciplined. I love to see this. Should've, could've, would've, yeah. Take profit placement was insane here. Nonetheless, $984 in profit. Good job, Raza. Let's check your most loss making And yes, I love to see this, guys. So the most profitable trade was close to 1%. His most loss-making trade is a measly 0.2%, and this is all about managing your risk to reward in an efficient fashion. Sorry. Now, what didn't go our trader's way here? Yeah, by the looks of it, we can touch down on the winning trade. As I said, he bought in the same fashion back then, right in the middle of a impressive bearish momentum, and he didn't wait for a confirmation. I mean, yeah, these things can happen if you don't wait for confirmation while trading SMCs, because yeah, as you can see, for sure there was some sort of order block here to the left. Not really able to see it on the 1 minute chart, and he saw the market reacting, and he decided that yeah, from now on it's going to go up, correct at least this imbalance, if not shoot even higher depending on the big picture trend. But yeah, things like these happen. That's why it's important to wait for confirmation, wait for this high if you're a bit more aggressive, and enter at the retest, or wait for this high, which basically is our swing high. This was just a little swing, little pause in the market. Our trader didn't do that, and he paid the price. Not really a big price, because he closed it quite immediately. He had a tight stop loss because he foresaw the fact that if this little pullback here won't be a concrete one and the market won't go up, well, most likely any stop loss wouldn't have held. As you can see here, I mean, no place you can put your stop loss without risking to lose your account. Awesome job from Raza. So please take away this thing, guys. So wait for confirmations if you're trading SMC. If you want to rush in, do like Raza did here. Keep that stop loss tight and wait for another opportunity to buy. Okay, so this was all for phase 1. I love to see the fact that he is consistent in his trading style. He managed to bank the 10%. Let's move on to phase 2. Phase 2, 5% profit, nailed that. Profit factor a bit lower, but nothing alarming here. Win ratio 55%, not really that relevant, and the number of trades stays close to the same, so 62 trades spread over 1 week this time. So he took his time in this second phase of the evaluation, and this is a thing that I was telling you guys. So just take your time. You have your allocated time. You don't receive a prize if you pass it in 1 day. You don't receive a penalty if you use your maximum time allocation. So keep that in mind and trade smart, because it's your money, guys. Something changed here? Not really. Still gold, still Nasdaq, still the inconsistency in which he uses stop losses and take profit, but the stop loss tends to show up a bit more often in this evaluation phase. Maybe he started to feel the pressure because he nailed 10%. How hard can 5% be, right? Well, this is the mental game of phase 2, guys, and you have to be ready for this after scoring the 10%, because this 5%, from my personal experience and other traders think the same, are sometimes more difficult to attain than the first 10%. Now, the most loss-making trade is on gold. Again, small digits, $318, no stop loss. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, again, as you can probably notice, we have this huge bearish momentum, and our traders saw that the market started to pick up the pace in terms of bullish momentum. You can see that it's forming lower lows. We have the first change of character somewhere around here, break the structural high on the 1 minute time frame, again retest the low, get into the premium zone, and then momentum to the upside. Yeah, these things happen. From my point of view, this trade was a perfectly executed one. Unfortunately, the market probably was in an overall bearish trend, and it just wanted to take some liquidity, and it took our trader out. Yeah, this trade went into some drawdown because he closed his position right here, which means $318, but keep in mind that it went all the way down here. Not really sure what would have been the final frontier for this trade, maybe this low breaking for sure. And yeah, after seeing this, he decided that yeah, close to break even trade will suit me just fine. Nothing wrong with this. Again guys, entry is spot on here according to Smart Money Concepts. Let's check the most profitable trade, which is again 1%, $1,131 still on gold. And let's see what this trade is all about, guys. Yeah, no more SMC here. I think this is just a structural break trade. Judging by the time span in which the trade was taken, this is US market pre-market or US market commencement, somewhere in between, times where gold is quite volatile. And yeah, he saw that the market started to pick up the pace to the upside, and he decided to hop on a short trade here, a short trade that only took 3 minutes and 43 seconds to get 1% in his account. Awesome job, awesome closing of the trade, because yeah, the market on the short term would have ranged, and then the bull trend would have continued, and yeah, close to the same. Take profit. This trader nails take profit placements, and not sure why he didn't let this trade run, but again 1%, maybe this is his go-to target, something important to have as well. And this was a stop loss that was probably somewhere around here originally. It was moved to break even once this momentum went to the upside, because yeah, smart thing to do, judging the volatility of the market at least near the US commencement. So yeah guys, this was Raza's account. Raza now has a funded 100k account. Looking forward to analyzing your first cycle as a funded trader with EverTrader. And yes, if you guys want to have your account reviewed here, sign up with EverTrader, link in the video description. Let's check your account out together and let's get better traders together. Until next time guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and yeah, bye bye.